Well, I was driving along. It's a really like kind of pissy, shitty, rainy shit day, which I'm cool with because I kind of like that stuff. But as I'm driving along, I've seen this castle in the distance. Don't know anything about it. Never seen it. And apparently I'm in a place called, and I might be pronouncing this wrong, I think it's Arundel. And I think it's Arundel Castle. It's somewhere between Brighton and Portsmouth. And that thing was cool. So I know I said I was going to do like a thing where I was going to like do a show and tell them about. I'm not going to do that now because the rain is shitty, but I am going to go see this castle. So change of plan. That's the best thing about everything, isn't it? Yeah, no plans. Just see how things go. And that's, you got to embrace that. That's half the fun. It really is. So we're going to go have a look at this castle. Fuck it. I think it's Arundel Castle. It looks quite nice. Let's go have a look around. This is the keep. You can see that this would have been a bitch to attack. Well, this castle is amazing. If you get a chance to go to it, do it. The library is the library in there is amazing. It's weird to see everything from centuries and centuries and centuries and centuries ago. It's just a lovely place, man. A real lovely place. I bought the ticket today with the gift aid. It's a bit more money. It gives you a bit more access to the castle and stuff, but it's more about preserving it, isn't it? I mean, it's made it this far, and I know there'll be a means and a way. But maybe one day somebody will own this and it'll be their house, and it will go back in time, and their house and no one's allowed in it. And I definitely think this shouldn't be for one person. It's fucking, it's so well kept, it's ridiculous. I mean, come and have a look inside these trees. I'm gonna have to spin the camera. Oh, look at it. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, probably made you a bit dizzy then. Sorry, not sorry. Well, look at that. What's going on with that? Anyway, I've got to stop videoing. It's raining, but I think it's really just that it's raining. It's a miserable day for a medieval castle. And look what I bought. Oh yeah, I got a little thingy for me. I absolutely adore it when it's like a rough night. I'm in South Sea, and the sea's just like over there.
was absolutely hammering it against the van, yeah. And it feels amazing. I mean, I'm in the pitch black, because I just, if I put the light on there, it kind of spoils everything. But it's just fucking, I know, it's like, it seems like a simple thing, doesn't it? Like, oh, what's that tosser doing in his van? Pointing at the window that's raining, I could look at that shit. Yeah, but, like, I'm in a van at night time. I know this seems like fucking pathetic, but I'm in a van in a place I've never been to before. Just parked up on the side of the road, chilling, gonna go to sleep here. Think about that for a minute. I don't know if it's a good area or a bad area. Don't know if it's dangerous or not. Don't care. I'll take whatever life throws me head on. I don't face stuff like that, and like, not everybody is like that. Yeah. But it is very relaxing, yeah. I know I probably talk about, oh, it's relaxing, but it's a real storm out there tonight. Anyway, enough chatting shit.